All right, here we are given a function, and then it says, what is the value of f with that 12 in parentheses? So first, let's review functions. Now, this here is function notation. This is just saying f of x, that's how you read it. I like to read it as saying the function is this. So you can think of this as a function machine. You have this machine where you can input any number in to that function, and then you get an output. So in this case, it's saying, what is the answer, what is the output when you input a 12? See, instead of f of x, they're saying f of 12. They want us to input 12 into the function and see what the output is. They're basically asking us to substitute 12 in for x. So let's do that. So a couple of things. First off, we need to remember when numbers are smushed together like this 2/3 x, that's saying 2/3 times x. So when we substitute 12 in for x, we need to write 2/3 times 12. So I'm going to put a multiplication dot there. Now when I read this, there's no arithmetic, no calculation I'm going to do here. This is not saying f times 12. Remember, this is the function notation. This is saying when you have a function and you put 12 into that function, this is what the answer is. So it's saying when you put 12 into the function, this is what the answer is. So this is where we're focusing. We want to see what the answer is, what our output is. Now I'm going to show you in a minute how you can just enter that into a calculator and get the answer. But first I want to show you how to do it the old-fashioned way on paper with our brains here. So let's remember how to multiply fractions. 2/3 times 12 is the same as 2/3 times 12 over 1. Remember, you always change that to two fractions. Then when you multiply fractions, all you do is multiply straight across. So 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. And what is 24 divided by 3? 8. So we have 8 plus 3, which is 11. So that would be our answer. Now let's go over how you can do this using the calculator on the state test, which is like Desmos. So 2/3 times 12 plus 3. So first, when you click on the calculator, you need to scroll down. In the bottom left corner is where you're going to see the show keypad. So let's click that. Now we're doing 2/3 times 12. To do a fraction, you're just using the division bar. This is just 2 divided by 3. Then now that I'm done with that fraction, I need to take my cursor and click right next to 2/3. So it's not going to enter the next number I enter, it down there in that denominator. So 2/3 times 12. So you just do times 12 plus 3. Look, and we get that same answer of 12. Not 12, of 11.